Tjena! Welcome back to another Flash Pilot tutorial. This time I will teach you how to make a very basic ActionScript code so you can move around and rotate your object with your arrow keys. In this case I'm using an airplane that I have animated, and well, I will just import it to the project and let's get started. So I start by open ActionScript 2 and change the name as the layer as background and start importing the pictures, and well, can change the name to object, and yeah, I will definitely shrink it because it's in this airspace, it will fly around. So well, the first step I want to do is to convert this picture into a symbol. So I go to modify, convert to symbol, name it airplane, be sure to have the type as movie clip, press OK, and well, basically the instance name you found here at the right, you will type in airplane with a capital A, and be sure it's capital. It's a capital A, and well, you can double check by pressing it again, and yeah. So you go to the object first frame and go to actions, or you can just press F9, and well, I have already wrote the code, so I'll just basically paste it in, but I can tell you a little bit about it so you get an understanding of the ActionScript. So, well, the instance name as we wrote around here when we were attached to the symbol, it was airplane. So basically I'm telling code that this airplane with the name of airplane, I want to do these commands with. So basically this is the command to in ActionScript 2 to ActionScript. This is the command in ActionScript 2 to tell it that when I'm pressing the right arrow key, the airplane will move to the right 5 pixels by using the X and plus, and it will move from this place to around, well, I don't know, maybe here. And I have also wrote the code Airplane..rotation equals 19 degrees. Well, when I'm pressing the right arrow key, it will rotate, and you will notice it soon when I try it out. Basically the same thing is with all the keys. As you can see, I'm changing the numbers. I'm having here a minus to tell it will go backwards when I'm pressing the left arrow key, so it will be somewhere here, and the same, it will rotate backwards 19. And this is the up key, so I am changing from the X to I don't know how to even pronounce this, so well, I skip that, and the rotation is 0 because it will just move upwards, and well, downwards it's the opposite, 118 degrees, phew, just downwards. And well, as you can see, it's really simple. I told you it was a simple basic ActionScript code. Maybe you, well, if you haven't been using ActionScript before, you get an understanding what it's like. It's not difficult if you have the time to learn. Well, maybe some, of course, some harder codes is difficult, but yeah, the beginner's code is really simple. Get an understanding. So, well, basically this is the code. You can write it if you want, or you can just paste it, cause I will link it in the description, so you can well, see if it's some errors. By the way, you can check the syntax to see if it's any errors. No errors, no warning, so it's good. Well, so let's start by trying the code. Control Enter, and well, I'm now using the arrow keys. Left, right, down, up, pressing both up and left, or down sides like diagonal. Whoa, some high technology like that. Extremely impressive, and well, I hope you enjoy it. By the way, if you have any question about the airplane, of course I have made it in Photoshop. I just basically imported a picture. You can make this in Flash, you can make it in Illustrator, whatever. It's just a picture you make to a symbol. So I hope you liked the tutorial. Please subscribe if you liked it, comment, rate, whatever. I will really appreciate it. And yeah, see you around.